he's like, he's got this thing that you put around your neck and it like cracks your whole spine. I was like, I'm going to get that, you know?
Oh, yeah.
So, there you go.
Deep breath. All the way out. Yep, relax.
Oh my God.
There you go. Right here. Yep. Oh. There we go.
Oh.
Just relax, relax. This one. Oh yeah.
Oh my God. Oh my gosh.
Have you been working out much?
Yeah, I'm the very last week of this program. It's the 13th week. And I gotta finish it tomorrow and Sunday and I'm done. Program.
Relax. Oh yeah. One more, yep. Other side. Just relax. Yep.
Are y'all going anywhere for Thanksgiving?
No, not that I know of. Maybe we'll take the RV somewhere.
That's cool.
We could just park it at Walmart or something. Walk to the beach or get an Uber.
Ooh.
There you go. Relax. Yep.
Oh!
Yep. Relax, relax. Ooh. A little step over there today, huh?
Yeah. The first one cracked really good.
It did?
Yeah. That would just pop.
It did, yep.
I really don't need to skip a week.
Yep. There you go. Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
Get rid of this here. Let's stretch that out some. Does that hurt at all?
It feels good. Oh man, that's excellent.
You like that part?
Mm-hmm.
Place that right. I've had a few of them pop. I even caught one on camera. Fit right in here.
Mm-hmm.
Just relax. There you go. Relax. Good. Yeah. Yep.
Oh.
Okay. He said it's something real quick.
What do people normally say?
They usually say,
About the ring finger or overall?
yeah, just overall.
Oh, overall, I've seen a lot of improvement in my performance in the weight room, and just on a daily basis. I feel so much better.
Right.
I'm dead serious. I know we're being silly here, but yeah, it makes a big difference. And
Yeah.
if I miss an appointment, like
can tell.
today, I can tell a difference. So
You feel a lot better now?
I do.
That's a microphone.
Oh, yeah, I do feel a lot better now. So, but yeah, this is a big thing for me. It's basically improved my quality of life on a daily basis.
Awesome.
Yeah.
All right, man. God bless you.
Yeah.